Welcome to Esparto Elementary School's February virtual assembly for 3rd through 5th grade. I'm Mrs. Van, your principal. This month, we are focusing on the character trait of fairness, recognizing and respecting the opinions and practices of people different than ourselves. When conflict arises, learning to accept and forgive each other in order to promote equity and peace. Let's see which students are recognized in our classes. In Mrs. Montejo's 3rd grade class, Sienna. In Mrs. Martinez's 3rd grade class, Addison. In Mrs. King's 3rd grade class, Giovanni. In Miss Miller's 4th grade class, Alicia. In Miss Thompson's 4th grade class, Nicholas. Also in Miss Thompson's 4th grade class, Jairo. And in Miss Thompson's 4th grade class, Kayla. In Miss Stoddard's 4th and 5th grade combination class, Giancarlo. Miss Stoddard is also recognizing Denise. And finally from Miss Stoddard's class, Maya. From Miss Guerrero's 5th grade class, Allison. From Mrs. Thompson's 5th grade class, Adam. Congratulations to all of our students for demonstrating fairness. We appreciate you. Now let's see who is leveled up in Lexia. Mrs. Montejo's class, Augustine. Genesis, Kaylee, Isabel, Sienna. Congratulations, Mrs. Montejo's class. Now in Mrs. Martinez's class, Camila, Ricardo. Good job. In Mrs. King's 3rd grade class, Alexa, Alexis, Camila, Emily, Evelina, Giovanni. Josiah passed 2 levels. Way to go, Mrs. King's class. Miss Miller's 4th grade class, Alicia, Maddie, Jesus. Congratulations, Miss Miller's class. In Miss Thompson's 4th grade class, Nicholas, Jacqueline, Erickson, Jimena, Jairo, Kayla, Jairo F, Carol, Jacob. Congratulations, Miss Thompson's class. In Miss Stoddard's 4th and 5th grade combination class, Alondra, Alex, Audrey. Congratulations, all 3 of you. Miss Guerrero's 5th grade class, Mason, Angelina, Edgar, Lisa. Congratulations. And in Miss Thompson's 5th grade class, Ian, Ezra, Summer, Neri. Congratulations to Mrs. Thompson's 5th grade class. And congratulations to all of our students who have leveled up in Lexia in February. Let's see how our students are doing in math. They've been working hard in IXL. Mrs. Montejo's class, Isabel, Leonardo, Abraham, Kevin. Melanie. Congratulations, Mrs. Montejo's class. Keep up the good work. Mrs. Martinez's class. Zavea. Jeremy. Congratulations. In Mrs. King's third grade class, Evelina. Chris. Camila. Raina. Alexis. Giovanni. Dominic. Christian. Cassandra. Alexa. Natalie. Guadalupe. Josiah. Angela. Great job mastering skills in IXL. In Miss Miller's fourth grade class, Samuel. Adon. Jesus. Amy. Way to go, Miss Miller's class. Oh, we also have Maddie. Congratulations, Miss Miller's class. In Mrs. Thompson's class, Gervier. Jaden. Kayla. Alejandro. Way to go, Mrs. Thompson's fourth grade class. Miss Stoddard's class. Selene. Maya. Dylan. Olandra. Jackie. Way to go, Mrs. Stoddard's class. In Miss Guerrero's fifth grade class, Angeles. Allison. Sophia. Ivan. Azael. Congratulations, Mrs. Guerrero's class. And in Mrs. Thompson's fifth grade class, Mason. Adon. Alex. Mia. Ezra. Congratulations to Ms. Thompson's class, and congratulations to all of our students for all of their hard work this month in February in IXL, Lexia, and just being a great student. Can't wait to see you back in person later in March. Have a wonderful day.